my project name calls Event Stamp. So it's a booking event like a sports workshop and a concert. These are things I don't focus in the movies because I just want to cover the minimum events. That's why. So first of all, I'll start how I start this. Okay. So I just simply pick a topic to create my UI. So then I just need to conduct an interview for that. So I need to know the users' requirements. So I'll just conduct a quantitative research. Then I give the question with the Google Forms and filtering the answers. And I focus on single person. And then I get this goals, coordinates, and pain points. So after that, I choose. This is how I want to my app want to run. So as splash screen, login page, location, and home screen, and sports activity, concert, these things are so seeds. So these are the user flow. After that, I just design low fidelity with my ping. So you can see here. So this is the low fidelity I designed. After that, I'll design the mid fidelity with Figma. So this is the mid fidelity. After that, I'll done my UI for the entire app. So this is the entire UI of my app. So I'll just show you how it works with prototypes. So just click on this page. After that, we need to choose which one we need to log in. After that, OTP page. After we entering the number, so just simply click the continue. Just choose the location and choose the event. After choose book my ticket. So this is the details about the entire concept. So after that, we need to choose a location. I'll choose the Coimbatore. After that, we need to select the time. After that, we can proceed. We need to add. After adding the ticket, we need to proceed. So this is the ticket information. After proceed, so we need to enter the contact details for receiving the tickets. So after entering that, so this is the confirmation page for the ticket. After that, we go with the payment page. So we can choose the GPay or something. So the process is done. After that, we go with the main screen.